Cook, and today I'm making a special dish for another one of my subscribers, Lily, who happens to work at Naughty Dog, has a brewery company downtown Winterville. Please go and enjoy it. And Lily asked for a dish to do with chicken breast. So what I've done here is I've sliced 2 chicken breasts, boneless, skinless, in half. We have got a group of spinach right here that has the ends cut off. I have 1 zucchini and 1 squash, and they have had about a quarter of an inch thickness into silver dollar shapes. I have a teaspoon of oregano. I have a teaspoon, half a tablespoon of black pepper and half a tablespoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. I have agave nectar that I'm going to use to taste. If you do not have agave nectar, I prefer for this dish you can use honey. I've got avocado oil. I have got 5 the mini sweet peppers. We're not slicing these. I've got some fresh asparagus right here, and we're going to start by cutting those off about halfway, to the point where you can see the easy bend. We don't want this hardened part at the end. We've got 1/2 of an onion chopped. That's a white onion. And I've got 12 ounces of my favorite mushroom, but you can use any mushroom that is sliced. And these are shitake. Portobello will work, white mushrooms, any mushroom will work. So to get right to it, what you're going to start with is you're making the spinach a bed in your 3-quart baking dish. Now, as you can see, that was very difficult to do. You spread it out in there. All right. Then you want to cut your asparagus in half. I told you right at that point, it goes into the garbage disposal behind me. Now, next we're going to take, and this is the fun part, we're going to silver dollar these bad boys down. And as I'm doing this, please take the time to hit that subscribe button, like, share. We are getting started. It's our 12th episode. I'm excited and having fun doing this. So here at Heck Yeah You Can Cook, and every 100th person that subscribes, well, every time I get 100 people, I put everybody's name in the pot for a free Heck Yeah You Can Cook apron. So we're going to be doing that. So now you added those. Look how simple that was. I was talking the whole time, but a lot of people tell you that I talk the whole time when that's going on. Next, 3/4 of your onions. You're going to save a few for the top. Sprinkle that on. All but a handful or just a couple of your tomatoes. About that many. Sprinkle that on. And then almost all of your mushrooms. Once again, leaving just a little bit for the chicken. Leaving the asparagus, leaving the peppers. Take the oregano at this time. Sprinkle the oregano on top. You're going to take a good pinch of the salt pepper mixture, maybe a pinch and a half. Sprinkle that on top as well. Now we're going back to the chicken breast over here. We're going to take the chicken breast and we're going to season both sides. Now I'll probably speed this up here. You're going to season both sides with the salt and pepper mix. Now the next step here is we're going to take a lemon. I'm going to show you a little trick to juicing a lemon. Alright, with your clean hand, squeeze it. Let it catch any seeds that go in there. Seed free! Here we go again. Try not to squirt yourself in the eye. Try not to squirt yourself in the eye while you're recording something. There it goes. Got the seeds in the hand, those seeds in there. You're going to take that lemon juice and right fresh. I like the fresh. If you can't find a lemon, you can use the concentrate. Pour it right over the chicken and kind of dribble it through the vegetables. Next, agave. Once again, you can use honey if you like. And I like to put a glaze, and that means a little bit extra. You'll see it hit that lemon and kind of, you can be generous with this. At this point in time, we set the peppers in. These are wonderful little side parts. You got a little roast as you're in here. And then each one of them just gets a little bit of its own salt. This is not the mix, this is just the salt. Pepper and pepper works well okay for maybe a musician group. You have a little bit of oregano left over, sprinkle that across the top of the chicken. A little bit of that dried oregano. A little bit of leftover onions. A little bit of leftover cherry tomato. See what we're doing here. And a little bit of mushroom. We're not putting a little bit of leftover lemon, that goes into the disposal. Take your nice asparagus, kind of even it out across the top, and then just kind of push down ever so lightly. Avocado oil across the top. And that is it. You are done with the prep. We're going to put a probe thermometer in there. We're going to bake in our preheated oven, 350 degrees, until it reaches that internal temperature of 165. We'll come back and take a look. Alright everybody, well there we go. The thermometer's going off at 165. We're going to pull this out of the oven here. And you have your chicken. We're going to let that cool. See the peppers have cooled off there. And we're going to pull out the thermometer. And we're at 165. I like to pull the asparagus off and let it sit aside. Just pull that off. See your chicken there. It's amazing how much the mushrooms cook down. This took about an hour, a little less at 350. Get to 165, so everything cooked nice and slow. Came out very pretty. So there it goes. We will be plating this. You can plate it. Personally, I prefer rice. You can make mashed potatoes and plate it and serve it. And we'll have a picture of the end of what it looks like plated. Hope everyone enjoyed. This is Lily's lemon pepper chicken with skinless, boneless chicken breast. Easy prep. Oven does. I'll get a little close up here of the chicken. Let it cool for about 10 minutes. And thank you. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. But heck yeah, you can cook. Everyone have a wonderful day and good eating, remember.